Alright, today's video is going to be how to install a sticker, a vinyl sticker properly. So I got you a good view, I think, there. First thing we want to do is remove residue from an old sticker or dirt buildup. Make sure this is perfectly clean, as clean as you can get it. Some people even come back with an alcohol wipe at the end, which is not a bad idea. It's just we've had all this rain here in Oklahoma and I got muddy feet and I'm not going back in the house. So we'll do it like this. And then I'll take a clean cloth after this. One clean one. I got a whole roll of paper towels here that you might need for this project. As you can see there, though, she's pretty much spotless now. So we want to make sure we have our tools handy. I've got my pick to pull the sticker off of the tape it comes with, and the squeegee for helping press it down. And now all that's left is find my vinyl. Take 5. Alright, and we're back. Found a sticker. These Oklahoma winds can't be beat, boy. So now, hopefully I can get this clear for you. We want to peel off, not the transfer tape side, peel off the vinyl sticker side. You see I left me a little gap there so it makes it easier. And to do this, you want to peel it at a sharp 45 angle so it doesn't peel off anything you want. If it starts to peel off pieces that you want, you just roll it back, lay it back down, and cut it tight as you can, press it in. This is the hardest part of this, that and placement. See, right now I don't see anything coming up, so I think we're okay. There's a piece coming up. Stick it back. And it's alright to move around a little bit. There's a piece right there, a little piece. It gets easier as you go. There's a piece there that won't stick. There it goes. Keep going. Easy. Slowly and surely. You don't want to be quick with this. Here's a piece coming up there, see? We gotta press it down. Pull it back sharp. And it'll drop it. A little pea droplet. Piece coming up. Don't want to misspell Biden. We're almost there. And it ain't over till it's over, so don't get no rush. See, that end doesn't want to come off because I didn't get my transfer tape on it. Okay, so we can straighten that out once we get it on there, hopefully. But here we go, and we're just going to place it, kind of round it a little bit, and go even. Take your squeegee, work any air bubbles up, out, squeegee it on down. Do this for a little bit. We'll get that end straightened up some. That just tape wasn't long enough there, but it looks all right now. And press all this down. It's good to do it on a warm day, but not a hot day. You don't want your glass above 90 degrees. And you don't want it below 40. So this right now, springtime, is the prime time to do these. So now we take this edge and pull back easy. Nothing should come off. And that's how you put on a sticker. Hope you enjoyed and hope it was informational for you. God bless. Bye. Alright, since I messed up, I peeled off the other sticker because, let me get you straightened out here, I didn't have it squared up. So we go back to square one here. Spray a little cleaner. Don't need much because it was already clean, pretty much just getting off the residue from the old sticker I just took off. And this time, because I had to run back in the house, I got me an alcohol wipe. So we'll make sure she's good and clean. Nothing on there. This little tiny thing I get from the VA. But she'll make her super clean, I guess. Make sure we get every little area we're planning on going. And I think we got it. Little residue. Now, we're gonna square it up off this truck. I didn't do that before. So I'm putting it tight to the windshield, squared right here. I'm gonna make it so my bottom, I'll get my marker here. I'm gonna try to do it at 4 inches. Come along here another 4 inches. And it should wipe right off. Well, alcohol's keeping me from doing it. Alright, well, we can do this too. We'll figure this out. We know this one's square, so we could do this just to hold it in place till I get started. So let me get this peeled back a little bit, and we'll do that. Once again, you want to do this ever so gently at a sharp 45. Tight, pressing down the whole time. Making sure you don't pull up any vinyl. This Oklahoma wind is killing me today. There. It's kind of hard to do, but you need 3 hands. Get it as tight as you can. Pull down. That other's trying to come up. So press it down and roll it. We're almost off of Calvin. Oh, we don't miss a pea droplet there. Yeah, we want to leave that. We don't want to disrespect Biden without the pea drop. Easy with the fingerprints, you don't want too many. But we'll use this as our template to be square this time. Maybe off of this one. Lined up there. lined up. There we go. Now, take our squeegee again and press her in good. Make sure no air bubbles. Try to get all that out. Press to the outside. This Oklahoma wind's still kicking my butt. That's one thing that makes it hard to do. But we're getting her. We're getting her. Old Biden should be proud. He's getting pissed on by Calvin. Oh, Trump will love it. There we go. Now we peel this back off at an angle. It comes off a little easier, but you still gotta be careful that don't pick up any letters or little tidbits of the print you're putting on. And there we have it, nice and square this time. Okay. After that, you still could take your sheet here, this backing for the sticker, and you can still squeegee it a little bit if you want. Make sure she's on there good, but it pretty much adheres really well. And with the ambient weather and a little bit of sun, she'll be baked right on there in no time. Thank you for watching. God bless.